I'm making a long, narrow cut in this sheet of plywood, but before I go any further, I want to address a potential problem. And you can see it's already started. As this cut gets longer, this narrow strip is going to have a tendency to sag even further than it is now, and that could cause the blade to bind in the cut, and the saw could kick back. So I definitely don't want that to happen. So I'm going to take care of that right now with some duct tape. I'm going to slip it in through the kerf, which is the cut right here, and stick it down to the top surface. And then underneath, pull off a big old strip. I'm gonna flip it over, just like that, and then stick it to the top surface. There. So now with the tape stuck on the top, along the bottom, and over the top, and I can finish my cut. There you go. A nice long rip cut done safely thanks to that piece of tape.